This is the birdcage washing machine from HW Machinery. Designed for poultry slaughterhouses and chicken processing plants worldwide. Built with SUS 304 stainless steel, it delivers durability, hygiene, and easy maintenance. The system is customized to your processing capacity and equipped with frequency-controlled conveying motors for flexible operation, stable transport, smooth performance, and reliable results for modern poultry processing lines. Since 1984, HW Machinery is a leading manufacturer of abattoir equipment and slaughter lines for poultry and livestock. Warmly welcome to visit our factory in Nanjing, China. HW Machinery, your partner in food processing and slaughter solutions.